Hello, Nguyen. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hi, how are you today, Nguyen? How are you, Nguyen?
I sleeping.
Oh wow, same. I am also sleepy. Okay, anyway, did you go to school today?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
I can see
nice.
you.
What?
I can see you.
Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. How about now? Can you see me?
No.
Are you sure? Can you see me? Hello, Nguyen, can you see me? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. So today, Nguyen, we are now in Unit 8. Is all about sport. Okay, when we say sport, those are the things that we do and we play it with other people who are athletics. Okay, who are an athlete. Now let's look at the words in here. Listen and repeat. We have basketball.
Basketball.
Nice. Now look, what is he doing? What is he doing, Nguyen? He is,
Playing basketball.
that's right. Okay.
I have
He's
here.
playing basketball. Okay, do you know how to play basketball? Do you like playing basketball? Or can you play basketball, Nguyen?
Ball.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Very good. Oh, wow. Okay, whose ball is that?
Me. It's my ball.
Oh, wow, very good. Okay, who do you play basketball with? Do you play basketball with mommy or daddy?
In the park.
Wow, you play in the park. Do you play with your daddy? Yes or
Mommy.
no?
With mommy. With
Do you play with
mommy.
with mommy? Great job. Okay, now listen and say tennis.
Tennis.
Very good. Now look at the girl. What can she play?
Tennis. Oh, yeah.
Yes. Say she can play tennis.
This. Yeah.
All right. Wow, that is actually a table tennis. Very good. And this one is the tennis that we do without any table on the ground together with the net like that. Do you know how to play tennis? Yes, like that. Okay, that's a table tennis racket. Okay, now look, we have hockey.
Oh, hockey. I love hockey.
One more,
Yeah.
hockey. One more, please. Hockey.
Hockey.
Very
I
good.
go
Uh,
to toilet.
yes, that's right. And we can do it when it's winter. Yes. Do you know how to play hockey? Yes or no? Do you
Can I
like playing?
go to the toilet?
Oh, oh, sure. Yes, you can go to the toilet, Nguyen. I'm sorry, Nguyen.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Now, let's continue. Okay, do you know how to play hockey?
I didn't know.
That's all right. Me too. Okay, look, say football.
Football.
Very good. Can you play football? Yes or no? Can you play
Mm,
football? Hello, Ian.
no.
No, very good. Okay, say no, I can't.
No, I am.
Very good. Now look at the ball. What color is the ball?
White and black.
Yes. So that is the color of football. Okay, now look, say baseball.
Baseball.
Very nice. Okay, now look at this one. This is what we call a bat. A bat is what we use to hit the ball. Okay, so this sport is what we call baseball. Now look, say badminton.
Badminton.
Very nice. Do you know how to play badminton, Uyen? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do you know how to play badminton? Okay, look at
Yeah.
the badminton. This is the
Like this.
racket. And this is that one is a table tennis. Say table tennis.
My sister have here.
Oh wow, that's nice because your sister has a table tennis
My
racket.
sister. My sister.
Yes. Oh, very good. Okay, now look at this one. This is what we call badminton racket, and this is the shuttlecock. Okay, say shuttlecock. One more shuttlecock.
Shuttlecock.
Very good. Okay, now look. Wow, this is yours. Look, table tennis.
Yeah.
Okay, what this? What sport can he play? He can play. What can he play, Nguyen? He
Mm,
can play table tennis.
table tennis.
Very
What?
good. Do you have the ball for table tennis? Yes or no? Do you have the ball for table tennis? Yes or no? No, that's all right. Okay, now look at this one. So look at this. Let's play a game. It's called memory game. So in here, you're going to choose a square and choose the correct pair to get 1 point. Now look, which square do you want to open first? You first.
One.
One. Okay, we have football. So which square do you want to open next?
Two.
Three. Oh, by the way, look, not yet.
Basket.
So we have here
Five.
baseball, football, baseball. What else? What's this? Table tennis, baseball again. What's this? Football, table tennis, badminton, basketball. What's this? Hockey, basketball,
Here.
badminton, and hockey. So which pictures do you want to open? Choose the picture that has the same word
Ten
and
and
answer. For
eight.
example,
10, 8.
for example, number one, I want to open number one. Okay, so number one is right here. So let me open number um four. So number four and number one are the same. All right. So now, Nguyen, how about you? Where is the table tennis here?
Uh,
What picture is
Here.
the table tennis? All right. The table tennis is, let me see. Hmm. Okay. Table tennis is actually number three. All right, Nguyen. So now, Nguyen, let's look at this one. Okay, look and circle the words. So which words can you circle in here? Let's write it, Nguyen. Okay, look, look, look. We have, let me do it like this so that it will be nice. We have baseball. What else? Baseball. What else? Your turn, Nguyen.
Basketball.
Okay. Basketball. Very good. Okay. So what else?
Mm, Football. Football.
Football. Okay, can you circle it? Football. It's here. Anything else?
Mm,
We also have badminton.
Oh. Yeah.
Yes. What else, Nguyen?
And
Badminton. What else? We have
yeah.
hmm, tennis
Tennis.
or table tennis.
Table tennis.
That's one. That this one. This is table tennis. Anything else?
No.
Okay, so look, look, look. We have hockey. Starting from here. Hockey. What
Mm,
else? I think that's it, right? So those are all the things that we have in here. Okay, now look at this one. Hockey and tennis. So find 6 sports and color it. Okay, for example, we have here tennis. Now let me color this one. This one. Okay, now your turn. Find 6 sports and color it. You can do it.
Basketball. Ha!
Look, tennis. What else? Okay, now color it, Uyen.
You have big, big, big,
Okay, now let's color it with a different one. Red. Badminton.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay, what
Ha!
else?
Ha! Ha!
Okay, we have
Hawk.
hockey.
Hockey.
Anything else?
Table tennis.
We also have table tennis. Okay, what else? Nguyen?
Basketball. Basketball.
Ah, where is basketball? It's right
Yeah.
here. Basketball. Very good, Nguyen. Okay, what else, Nguyen?
I don't know.
Okay, we have baseball. And lastly,
Ball. Football.
yes, football. Wow, so how many colors can you see here, Nguyen?
Red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 colors.
There are
5.
7 colors. One, two, let's
5.
count, Nguyen.
One, two,
Okay,
three,
one,
four,
two,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 colors in
Oh,
here. Now this time, look and write the sports. You can do it. Number 1, what sports are they playing? They're playing basketball. What about number 2? What sports are they playing? They're playing. What are they playing? They are playing. Look, what's that? We have, okay, tennis. What about this one, Nguyen? What sport is this? We have, what's number 3? Okay. Number 3, look, look, look. What's this? We have hockey. How about number 4, Nguyen? Wow. What are they playing? Look at number 4. What are they playing?
okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
what?
we're
Look,
asking.
what's number 4? What are they
I
playing? They're
am
playing.
a monster.
Oh, wow. You draw a
Monster.
monster. Okay, what's the name of this monster? What's the name of
Lola.
this?
Lola.
All right. So look. So this monster is called,
Half.
what do you call this?
Day.
It's all right, Nguyen. Okay, so let me erase this monster now.
Hi.
Thank you. Thank
My
you for drawing
master.
your Thank you for drawing your monster. I'm gonna give you 2 stars for that. Okay, how about number 4? What sports do they play?
It's a football. Football.
Football. Very good. What about number
Um,
5?
what time is this?
Okay, look.
What time is this?
What time is it now? It is 4:24. So we still have 6 more minutes.
Ờ, bố 6 giờ rồi à? Bố.
Giờ là giờ là 4 giờ 24, 4 giờ 30.
Skip, skip, skip.
Okay, look at number 5. What's number 5, Nguyen?
7,000.
Okay, we have baseball. What about number 6? We have
Basketball.
badminton. What about number 7? What's this?
Baseball.
Wow, we have
Baseball.
table tennis. Okay, so we got set. Okay, 7 in here. So I'm gonna give you 2 stars here. Now, Muyen, let's look
Rosa.
at this one. Okay, look. Can you play table tennis? Then, if you
Yes.
say no, you can say, no, I can. And you, then I will say, yes, I can. Okay? So for every no or yes, you give me back the question. Oh, teacher, no, I can't. How about you? Or, and you? All right?
Yes.
Okay, now let's practice. Can you jump?
Yes, I can.
Nice. Can you wiggle?
No, I can.
Very good. Can you hop on one foot?
Where? I don't see that.
Okay, like this one. Can you hop on one foot? Like
Mm,
jump, but just with one foot.
Yes, I can.
Okay. Can you wave your hand?
Yes.
Yes, I can. Very good. Can you run on the spot?
Yes.
Wow. Can you clap your hands?
Easy.
Yes, I can. Okay, can you clap 5 times?
1, 2, 3,
Two,
4,
three, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, can you
6.
balance on one foot?
Uh, yes.
That's right. Can you um play? Can you air guitar? Like,
Yes.
wow. Can you brush your teeth?
Yes.
Okay, say yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Very good. Can you dance?
No, I can.
Very nice. Can you cheer? Go, go Nguyen. Go Nguyen. Go
Yeah, yes.
Nguyen. That one. Okay, yes, I can. All right. So Nguyen, look at this one. What did you learn today? I learned.
Yeah.
I learned sports. Okay,
Oh,
like what are the sports that you learned? Badminton. What else?
Mark. What?
Okay, we have tennis. What else?
Basket. Badminton.
Badminton, tennis, basketball.
Basketball.
Table tennis,
Table tennis.
baseball.
Baseball.
What else?
Teacher.
Football
Football.
and
Yeah. Yeah.
hockey.
Yeah.
Hockey.
Okay.
Okay, so what did you learn? I learned.
Mm, mm. Yeah.
I learned sports such as badminton, tennis, basketball.
Tennis. Basketball. Tuck it, says.
How do you say table
And
tennis, baseball, football, and hockey. So here are the things that we learned today, Nguyen. And you've got 4 stars. Thank you so much for
Yay!
joining our class today, Nguyen. I hope that you learned something. Bye bye,
Bye
Nguyen.
bye. Bye bye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.